Hello everybody and happy Monday. Lindsay here with another Thredup unboxing for you today. I was really looking forward to opening a purse box for this evening's video, but I unfortunately don't have any more in stock. My pile of Thredup boxes is kind of dwindling a bit, especially now that the boxes have been more difficult to get. I haven't ordered a purse box in a while. I thought I had a few left over, but I must have opened those already. So I will be on the hunt for some more purse boxes this week during a restock, and I would like to pick up one from America's Thrift Supply if I can. I believe they will be restocking on this coming Friday. So instead of the purses, I will have a fun box today. This is a newer one and it is large. And these boxes are always fun to open too. So I thought I would do that. There will be no video on Thursday, which is February 5th. My Thursday video will be airing on Saturday instead. And Saturday is going to be a very special pre-Valentine's Day collaboration with, I believe, 10 other ladies. And we're all going to be opening a Thredup 15-piece mixed jewelry. My video will be dropping at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I will make sure to have that link available on my community page so you can check out the lineup for the day. But it's going to be really great to see what everybody gets, and I'm looking forward to it. I just filmed the intro for that, and I will be opening that bag tomorrow, I think. So we'll go ahead and take a look at our fun box. If you would like to purchase anything from tonight's video, just please send me an email. I will need your mailing address if you're a new customer, and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. If you would like me to hold off on shipping until after Saturday's video, that's totally fine, or I can send it right away. But all of your jewelry purchases from last week already went out, and hopefully you're receiving some of the packages today. So like I said, this one is a very large box, as you can see, but it's fairly light. And my last couple haven't been amazing, but I have gotten some nice hair accessories in both of those. I had that really cool Snow White headband, and then I had that rhinestone scrunchie from Alice and Olivia. Both of those pieces sold really fast on Poshmark, so I do love getting branded hair accessories. So if we got something like that in here, I would be thrilled. This was ordered on January 6th. They do run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping for 10 items. Sometimes you can get a little bit more, and sometimes the boxes are themed. So we will do a first peek, and I'm not really seeing a whole lot of items in there yet. Something kind of mesh, and then maybe a bag. So I'm going to take a thumbnail and then we'll get started. All right, so, oh, this is pretty cool. It is like a fascinator hat. These are awesome for a Kentucky Derby party or something like that. And Thredup just put this paper in there to kind of keep its shape. So that is good. The headband looks to be in good condition. I don't see any maker on this. There was a tag, but it looks like it was removed. And then it is just the blue mesh. And it's quite a large one. So that's really cool and kind of good timing. The Kentucky Derby will be coming up in May. So that's a cool piece. Let's do $10 on this if anybody would like it. And I'll just leave all of the paper in it to try to keep its shape. And I will ship it in a box so it doesn't get crushed. But that's a good piece and probably why they chose the larger box for today. And next up I have some kind of pouch here. And this is navy blue. And it's for chargers, cords, and important things. Made from recycled materials with a verified carbon offset. And I don't see any brand. There is, you know, like a little clip here where you can secure your items, and then several different pouches. So very nice to put your phone cords in, your laptop cord, and then it just zips closed. It's pretty compact. So I'll give that a Google Lens and see if I can find a brand on this. And I'll put a price on the screen, but it looks probably like new. So not a bad item. And next up, we might have some PJs. And they were just put in this Ziploc bag. Yeah, so these are from Stitch Fix. They're new with the tag. They're an extra large, and the brand is Seeing Stars. And it is a 2-piece set in navy. It is the Natalia Sleep and Lounge Notch Collar Pant Set. So it's got navy blue and then the beautiful tropical flowers. And I'm not going to take both pieces out, but I will see if I can find a stock photo. But they're nice and soft. These are the pants with the drawstring waist and then just kind of like a straight leg. They are a full-length pant, it looks like. And these are 55% cotton and 45% rayon. So fairly lightweight. They're very soft and awesome to get brand new. So I will see if I can get a stock photo on those and look up comps, and I'll put that on the screen. Our next piece are some Hue tights in a size 1. I've gotten this brand several times. These always sell pretty well on Poshmark. These are opaque tights, high-waisted, shape and lift, and they are just as opaque. 40 Den is the color, and they are $15 or 2 for $24. And the size 1 fits a 4'11" to 5'5", 100 to 150 pounds. So like they're size small. And it says it's got the higher waistband, keeps in place, shapes tummy, hips and thighs, and lifts the booty. So if anybody would like those, we'll do $5 on the tights. And we do have some slippers in here. And these are cute, a red. And they are very cozy. These are a Charter Club medium. They fit a US 7 to 8. A really nice like house shoe style with the rubber bottoms. And then you have the faux Sherpa there. And then I think those are just a faux wool, but they're meant to look like wool. So those are really cozy. Let's do $10 on those as well. They're brand new. Really nice color. So that's a nice piece. And our next item are some mittens. And these are Isotoner Casual Knit. Those are really cute. I can't tell if they're navy or black in this lighting, but they are super cozy, really warm on the inside. And then they do have a little kind of faux suede gripper on the palm. And it just says black laser, micro luxe lining, silky, luxurious, warm. And they're a 1 size. So I don't have like super large hands, but not real small ones either. And they fit well. They're not like really bulky or anything. And they are super cozy. I would probably just hold on to these, but I did get some mittens and 2 pair of gloves for Christmas, so I really don't need them. If anybody would like those, let's do $8. Those are really nice and giftable. And you can always use another pair of gloves. So our next item is a luggage tag, and it says hello on it with Lionel Richie, I believe that's supposed to be. And yeah, it's just a luggage tag. I will look that up and I'll put a price on the screen for that. That's very random, but it's brand new. I think pretty much everything's been brand new so far. We do have a hat here. This is Mason Scotch, to be worn with love, it says. And this is brand new with the tag. And trying to see the material on this one. It says do not wash. This is 100% wool. And it did have the original tag. There is a sticker over the price. The MSRP on it is $69. You can see that there. And fits very well in with the theme. Really cute navy, and then it has like a denim stripe on it. And then there is a little peace sign on that. So that's cute. It is not overly large, so if your head is, you know, really big, this may not fit. You know, probably more in the medium size. But that is really cute. I will look up comps on that one and put a price on the screen. But I'm definitely loving all the new items in here. And we do have a pair of socks. And these are burger and fry socks, one size. And then they have a mouth on them. And these are just a one size men's 7.5, or I'm sorry, US men's 8 to 12. Brand new, we'll do $3 on the socks. And my box just fell over. But we do have our last item here, and it's a really heavy belt. And this does come also brand new. And it is Chico's. This looks like it could be an older tag. This one also had a MSRP of $69. It is the interlocking hoops, size 2, and in silver. So it says if it's a medium large. So definitely looks like a vintage tag on there. And then you do have the clip closure. And then the beautiful silver pattern. This is really nice, and I don't see any signs of wear from being stored. And you do have the little hang on the back. That looks really well made. So let's do $15 on the Chico's. If you would like a measurement, let me know. But it is very adjustable with where you can clip it. And it does say a medium large. So what a great box. I'm very happy with this one. We had the belt for number 1. 2, we had the wool hat, brand new. 3, we had the luggage tag. 4, we had the socks. 5, the mittens. 6, we had the Hue tights. 7, we had the Stitch Fix new with tag pajamas. I believe 7, we had the, I already lost count. 7, we had the little travel cord case. And then 8, we had the fascinator. So we were shorted a couple items. It's possible they considered the pajamas as 2, maybe. So that's a little disappointing, but I think for the quality of items, you know, I'd rather have less than, you know, just a bunch of junk thrown in. So that is a little disappointing, though, that they didn't have 10. I don't know if I'll bother reaching out to them about it. We'll see. But overall, I'm very happy with the box. And I definitely think that this will be a profit. Please let me know in the comments below if you had a favorite piece or what your thoughts were about the box. I will try to order another one of these if there's a restock this week. I do have one set aside for the Thredup St. Patty's Day Fun Box Crawl. I want to make sure I have a box available for that, but if I can get another one, I may share one of those unboxings before then. So thank you so much for watching tonight. Again, there will not be a video on Thursday, but I will see you back on Saturday afternoon with a bonus Thredup 15-piece unboxing for the Valentine's collab. Thank you so much for watching tonight. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you soon.